Good morning, fellas. A quick little video update. Here we got a quick little video update. I feel good. I feel super good. I'm just here in the hotel room, and it's a different thing with my lovely wife Anna. She has not feeling so good, like you have seen on the last video. She was coughing and I have a little bit of a fever and everything. So
at the moment we're not through hiking. At the moment I'm just in the bed. I have fever, I have cough, but I do have this coughing medicine. So this is, you stop cough, but you feel a bit nauseous and dizziness, and that's no good, but you get some sleep anyway.
yeah.
So we have to extend this visit here a few more days. So yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, and we try to walk it over because we just thought it's gonna be just a small little easy cold, summer cold like we always have in Sweden. But it got worse and it got worse and got worse. So now we have been here for 2 nights, and we're gonna stay here an extra night for night 3. So we're gonna keep on walking, of course, but maybe it's take a little bit longer than we have expected because of this cold hit Anna really, really hard. And,
it's a flu.
It's just a flu bug. It's nothing fancier than that. But we thought we're gonna walk it through, and you have feel like this for a couple of days, weeks.
I thought I'd just take some painkillers and so the fever will go away, and then you hike on. But it was the wrong thing to do because it is a flu, not the ordinary cold. So now it's a good hotel, so it's luxurious. It's big beautiful windows. I can look out, and yeah, I'm going to sleep a lot today, I think.
Yeah, and I can walk on by myself, but it's not the way we do it. So I'm just gonna wait out this cold with Anna here, of course. So today I'm gonna walk in the nice weather and go out and take a 10 kilometers walk just to stretch my legs and keep on walking, because that's the way I like it, and then Anna can sleep when I'm outside walking, so that feels safe as well. And cough medicine, yeah, she has been to the doctor as well, so the doctor subscribed her this little bit stronger medicine, so she can get a little bit dizzy.
That's way too strong, actually, but
yeah,
when you not get any sleep at all because you just cough the whole time.
Yeah.
And I have to say that the system in Sweden, I was lying here in the bed and went to my doctor appointment. So everything you can do with the phone. So that was a good one.
Yeah, so didn't physically meet the doctor, just over the phone. So that was brilliant. And he wrote out the recipe, and we go to the pharmacy. So it was nice. Looking good.
Yeah. No, not looking good. And then I feel a bit stressed, of course, because I don't want to be here. I want to be outside walking, because now we have everything. I have my new backpack is sitting well on me. We slept well in the tent with the new air mattresses. So then this all bad things come in 3.
Yeah.
So now it's finished.
Yeah, and this you cannot precipitate that you're gonna be sick. So super bad, but this is how it is. We are honest, truth people. We're gonna cut this one out, but it's not us. We walk when we walk. We sleep when we sleep, and we do everything by safeness for our own health. So.
And like we used to say,
Yeah.
what you see is what we are.
Yeah.
So
this.
sometimes
You get sick.
You get sick.
Yeah. So maybe we start walking tomorrow. Maybe we take one day at a time. So, so today we had already. We thought 2 days are gonna be enough, but we already pre-booked this night again, and it's.
And that was an odd thing because yesterday we were out walking.
Yeah, you felt a little bit better yesterday.
Yeah.
So
I was walking a bit, but.
Yeah.
What happened tonight? I have no
No,
idea.
fever all night long. Fever to
And
now in the morning
and
time.
I
Yeah.
was coughing. I took that's very strong, but I coughed anyway.
Yeah.
So
And you
it is-
drank a little bit of this morning and you throw up.
No, I didn't take any today. I throw up anyway.
You did just cough and throw up.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
But that's a good one.
No, it's not.
Oh.
No. So a quick update. We will of course continue our walk to our destination, but a few days later.
Yeah, it is. What
So
it is.
thumb up, make a nice comment, support Anna, and it was expensive hotel, so. But, yeah, but this is the only one they have a little bit of a camping, but we cannot change hotel
No,
now.
I want to be here.
Yeah, so.
And we
but-
took a superior king room because
Yeah.
I wanted one big bed. So yeah, it's expensive, but
Yeah, this is why you have to save up to when you're out hiking. So you don't plan for this sickness, but it is what it is. So support Anna, make her a nice comment, and look at that beautiful sparkling eyes.
see you in the next one.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye.